hope you all have a nice day. My name is Fong Lek Singh and my teammate is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Farizan, and we are from EM 242 Group 4. And today I will discuss about the designing smart automation home door sanitizer. Now I will talk about the Arduino Uno microprocessor circuit. The first part is the fingerprint sensor replaced by the push button, and the second part is the electrical door lock represented by the LED, and then this part is the relay module represented by two LED, and this part is the infrared sensor which used to scan the door, and then this part, the big part, is the infrared sensor which used to scan the owner, and then the sixth part is the input pulse which transferred to the counter. The first condition of the circuit is when the fingerprint sensor unsuccessfully detects the fingerprint of the owner, the system will not run, thus it will remain its original state. The second condition is the fingerprint sensor successfully detects the presence of owner, but the owner will not come in. So we press the push button, and then the first relay is low, second relay is high, which indicates the door is start to open, and then the door lock is unlocked. After 5 seconds, the both relay become high, which the door stop move. But the infrared sensor cannot detect the owner. So after 5 seconds, the door will start to close, which the first relay is high, second relay is low. When the door is fully closed, both relay become high, and then the door lock will lock. The third condition of the circuit is when the fingerprint sensor is successfully detect the owner and the owner pass through the door. So press this button, the electric door lock will unlock, and then the door will start to open. And then we press this button to indicate the infrared sensor is successfully detect the owner. After the door is successfully been opened, the door will stop to move, and then after a few seconds, the input will go through the counter. The detail of the counter will be discussed later. So that after the owner leaves the spraying area, after a few seconds, the door will start to close. After the door closes, everything will reset, just as shown as now. Now I will discuss how the relay module works. When both inputs are high, the linear actuator will not receive any signal, and when both inputs are low, linear actuator will also do not receive any signal, which indicates the linear actuator do not move. And then when first relay is high, second relay is low, the current will flow from high to low to the linear actuator, and then when the first relay is low, second relay is high, the current will flow from bottom to the top of the linear actuator, which indicates the retraction and extension of the linear actuator. Now I will discuss about the counter. After the counter receiving the input from the Arduino, first the 7 segment will show 9, and then the red LED will continue to light up, but the sprayer and the green LED will not function first. After the clock receiving the high input from the Arduino, it will start to count. When the timer reaches 7, the sprayer will start to function, and then it will start to count. When the counter reaches 0, the sprayer will stop function, the red LED light will turn off, and then the green LED light will turn on, which indicates the owner to come into the house. After that, the Arduino Uno will reset the counter, and it will come back to its original state. Now I will discuss the non-inverting amplifier. As we know, the Arduino only can transfer 5 volts, so the input to the sprayer is not enough. Thus, we need to use the amplifier to amplify the input of the sprayer, which it will amplify to 12 volts, which is enough to activate the sprayer. Now I will discuss about the water level sensor. Actually, this is replaced by the open circuit, and then this is replaced by the buzzer. Then this part actually is deep inside the sanitizer liquid. When the sanitizer liquid is higher than the open circuit, it will become short circuit, as the sanitizer liquid can conduct electricity. Thus, the buzzer will not buzz. But once the liquid is lower than the open circuit, it will become an open circuit and cause the buzzer to buzz, which indicates the owner to add on or refill the sanitizer liquid. That's all from us. Thank you.